We love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。是10月啊，有万圣节，看到鬼会怕。那当然，我们也可以来教这个字怕。怕到底客语怎么说啊？
怕的话，有人会吓一跳啦，
对对对，
会受到惊吓，对不对？
受惊吓，对。
所以叫戳姜。
戳姜，其实英文也是如此，对不对？你可能是 afraid of something, maybe you're scared of something, or maybe you just have the fear of something。其实这都是有点相关的，对对对，害怕的哈。所以你刚刚讲戳姜是有点受惊吓，但如果是怕的话，是就姜就好了，对不对 ？All right, so let's put you in this scenario。你有没有怕什么？比如有些人会怕高啊，
真的很高的话，当然会怕。
对 ，Let's put you in this scenario, okay? And let's say there's a suspension bridge that you want to walk, and you're afraid of it, okay? 我们去走吊桥 ，Let's go and walk on that suspension bridge.
沿来去行吊桥，
沿来去行吊桥，吊桥就是那个吊桥，
吊桥
That's the suspension bridge. 然后去走是行 ，OK？不要啦，我最怕高了啦 ！Please, I don't want to because I have a fear of heights.
冇愛啦，
冇愛啦，
愛青姜高啦，
愛青姜高啦。哦，姜刚刚就讲是怕嘛，
对
，That's fear。青姜就是最怕的意思。
对，青姜高啦。
I'm most afraid of heights, yeah. But then, the view is so beautiful. You're gonna encourage your friend to go on it anyways, right? 在上面看风景很漂亮这时候都会鼓吹这个。
对呀，爬到越高的话，你就看到越远。
对呀。So the view is very beautiful up there. How do you say that?
你當高看風景，
你當高看風景。
懂江呢？
懂江呢？江知道啦。
对呀，漂亮啊！
谁会按江啊？对不对？江那
means
beautiful.
懂江呢
Okay, it's so beautiful up there. And 然后你刚刚讲一个字是风景啊。
风景。
风景 that means the view, the scenery, right? It's so beautiful. You don't want to miss out. But if you have the fear of heights, I guess there's nothing we can do about it. All right, let's review some of these phrases right here, such as the suspension bridge. 我们吊桥怎么说？
吊桥。
吊桥 And then the scenery, 风景。
风景
And then it's very beautiful 很漂亮啦
懂江
江 is beautiful 懂江 is very beautiful like Alice
江
And this month we're all teaching you the phrase being afraid of something or frightened of something 受惊吓
戳姜
And now you know that does today's Practical Hakka
什麼大家
漢字四章來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.